feeling overwhelmed competing with big businesses? Here's the truth. Your small size might be your biggest advantage. While large companies move like cruise ships, you're a speedboat, quick, agile, and personal. You can make decisions in minutes that would take them weeks. You know your customers by name, not as numbers in a database. You don't need a massive budget to make a big impact. Content marketing, social media, and email campaigns can level the playing field. The key? Focus on quality over quantity and personal connection over mass appeal. This is where you shine. While big businesses use automated systems, you can offer real, human connections. Remember birthdays, preferences, and create experiences that make customers feel like family. Today's technology puts enterprise-level tools within your reach. From free CRM systems to affordable automation tools, you can operate like a big business without the big budget. Your local presence is golden. Build partnerships, support local causes, and become a community cornerstone. These connections create loyalty that big businesses can't buy. Ready to turn your size into your superpower? Start implementing these strategies today and watch your business grow.